I believe gardening is a therapy. Today, I'm going to add this paper lemon plant, also known as Kagzi Nimbu in Hindi, in my terrace garden. The steps are pretty simple. If you don't have a drilling machine, you can use this method with care. I am going to recycle a big paint bucket and use it to plant this grafted lemon plant. It's reasonable and pretty big for my plant to grow and spread its root. Its height is 40 inches and width is 30. Citrus trees prefer deep, well-drained, sandy loam soil. Here I have a soil mix of equal parts of garden soil, coco peat, sand, and compost. A good drainage system is one of the key to grow a healthy plant. In this 40-inch deep bucket, I layered the soil by first placing garden soil, and then I took my grafted plant and took it out of the nursery pack. Now, one thing you need to be careful about lemon plant is they have big thorns, and that too very close to the root. So handle with care while planting or repotting them, as it might pierce through your skin. I placed my soil mix all around the plant and left at least 4 to 5 inch of space on the top for the water to not spill out. Lemon plant would require consistent watering to produce healthy fruits. Citrus family love full sun. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more gardening related videos. Bye bye.